Hello, dear children. Welcome to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, situated Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video we're going to discuss about uses of capital letters and full stop. Okay, students, this is the chapter number 19, and chapter number 19 name is capital letter and full stop. So, in this chapter, we have to learn how to use capital letter and full stop. Okay, students, so this is the punctuation, and we have to learn about the usage of capital letters and full stop. So here we all know that we have to use capital in beginning of the sentence and we use full stop at the end of sentence. So we know this, but now in this video we're going to solve the exercises of this chapter by using the capital letter and full stop. So let's start the video. So firstly, here you can see page number 1. Can you spot the errors in these sentences? So student, here we can see that there is some words and we have to rewrite this word by using the capital letter and full stop. Okay, so in one you can see that Suraj is a good boy. So student, we all know that the first letter will be capital. Okay, so we have to rewrite this sentence again like this: Suraj is a good boy. At the last we have to put a full stop. Okay, and the second, there is a he is my best friend. So we have to change this H in capital letter, and the end of the sentence we have to use full stop. And number third, we again do the same things. We have to write first letter in capital form, and at the last we have to put a full stop. Okay, so now next is we play and study together. So now here we again do the same things. We have to write first letter in capital, and after that we have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay students, so like this. So now let's read the sentences. So here there is a word: the trip to Manali was wonderful. Ira plays the violin well. I play with my pet dog Patty. Saina lives in Jaipur. The largest river in the world is the Amazon. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Dr. Arnav works in a charitable hospital. So student, here we have to read the sentences, and the word in color are always written in capital letters no matter where they are placed in the sentences. So student, here are some information for you that how do we use capital letter, okay, in the beginning of sentence and the middle of sentence. Okay student, so here are some information. First is, do you know that most languages like Korean, Japanese, Chinese and Hindi do not use capital letters at all. So here are the information about the using capital letters. So let's read it. When do we use capital letters? When do we use capital letter? So capital letters are used, we all know, at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, at the beginning of the sentence, and for special names of people, pets, places, rivers and monuments, and for names of days of the week and months of the year. Days of the week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we have to write this all name in capital letters, and months of the year like January, February, March, April, we have to write down in a capital letter. Okay, and after that, for names of festival and holidays like Holi, Diwali, Dasahara, we have to write first letter in capital. Okay, and after that, for names of languages like Chinese, Japanese, Hindu, okay, Hindi, Sanskrit, like this all languages we have to use first letter. We have to write this all languages word in first letter in capital. Okay, after that, for names of languages, after that, for titles when used with names So we have to write capital letter with the title of what we use in our name, like we have to use our surname, so we have to write our surname first letter in a capital. Okay, so student, here is the notes for you. When do we use a full stop or question marks? So we all know that we use a full stop at the end of sentence. Okay, we have to use full stop and question mark at the end of a sentence. Okay, so now moving to the next, there is the word I is always capital. Student, whenever we write I, we have to write I in a capital letter. Okay, so now after that, we do not use capital letters for name of season like summer, winter, etc. Subjects like science, geography, etc. Profession and titles when they are mentioned alone like doctor and professor. Okay, so here are the information about where do we use capital letter and where do not. Okay, where do not. So after that, moving to the next, the exercises. So here is the read these sets of words. Choose a word in each set which should start with a capital letter. So in number 1, there is a 3 option: January, just and jug. So we have to take January because it is start with a capital letter. In second, like, London, glad. So we have to take the London. Okay. Third, cat, cake, Christmas. So we have to take Christmas. After that, push, piku, paper. So we have to take piku. Okay, students. So now moving to the next. Next is number 5. In number 5, Sunday, sun, sunny. So we have to take Sunday because it is a days of week. And after that, Ash, Africa, and. So we have to take Africa. Okay. Now number 7, mint, money, Mumbai. So we have to take the word Mumbai. Holy, holiday, honor. So we have to take holy. Okay. So after that, next is practice. We write the sentences using capital letter and full stop. So student, you have to note down these exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay. So you have to write this exercise A in your notebook like this. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters and full stop. So in number 1, he plays the flute. So we have to change. We have to start from the beginning by using capital letters. So we have to write like this: he plays the flute, and after that we have to put a full stop. And second, New Delhi is the capital of India. So here we have to write, we have to convert N in a capital letter and D in a capital letter. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India. After that, the river Thames is in London. So like this we have to change. We have to start from capital, the river Thames. So it is a river's name. So we have to also change the first letter in a capital. Thames is in London. So we have to also change it again. So we have to write L in a capital letter. Fourth is Jim and Bob are traveling to Mumbai on Friday. So here we have to write first letter of Jim and Bob in a capital. And after that we have to write Mumbai first letter in capital, and after that Friday's first letter in capital. Okay. So after that, number 5 is Deepak and Pooja are best friends. So here we have to change again. So we have to write Deepak and Pooja in capital. Okay. So Deepak and Pooja are best friend. After that, tomorrow is Good Friday. So we use capital letter in the beginning, and after that in Friday. Okay. Mr. Bose is a teacher. So we have to write Mr. Bose is a teacher like this. Rohan has a pet cat named Mint. So Rohan has a pet cat named Mint. So we have to change Mint. We have to write M in a capital letter. Okay. In number 9, Aditya is a good boy. So we have to write Aditya is a good boy. After that, number 10, we celebrate Christmas on 25 December. So we have to write down we celebrate Christmas on 25 December. After that, next exercise is exercise B. In exercise B, one word in each sentence should begin with a capital letter. Encircle the word, write the letter in the blanks. So student, we have to encircle the word which is begin with a capital letter, and after that we have to write down their letter in given blanks. So in number 1, today is Earth Day. So here the Earth's will be start in a capital letter. So we have to write E on the blanks. In second, there is a word puja, so we have to write P. In third, there is a there, so we have to use T in a capital form, so we have to write T. In fourth, salu, so we have to change as in a capital, so we have to write S. In number 5, there is a tree, so we have to change T in a capital form, so here we have to write T. Like this we have to complete exercise A and B in notebook with a good handwriting. Okay students, so now moving to the next. So next age. Okay, so student, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, so student, I hope you all understood the concept of using capital letter and full stop in a sentence. Okay students, so that's it for today. And student, you have also learned where do we use capital letters. Okay, and also write down the exercise A and B in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay students, so that's it for today. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.